领航辅助已激活。
Whoever this belonged to is under surveillance.
Okay.
You're much nicer than that.
Different times. Progress, right?
Lucy.
Fine. I watch murder documentaries, and I pickle. You pickle?
On the house. Thank you for your service.
Still stalling, huh? Any luck with the owner?
No, I'm sorry.
Well, could you try calling him again right now?
Okay. Jesus.
Wait, I recognize that guy. He used to work here back in the day. Still working here, huh?
Hey! Green. Police! Hey!
That's who cuts my paychecks. They own the whole waterfront. Now, if you don't mind, I've got work to do.
Knock yourself out.
Why are we here?
I needed to make a stop. I'm sorry for what you heard today. I really am.
After it disappeared, the whole building went quiet for a month. I remember when my mom got the call. The look on her face. She said I lost my son. And she wasn't even looking at me. So yeah, no offense, but you're crazy. People wanting you, looking up to you, I'd trade anything for that. I'd trade anything to not share a shower with 30 other people, to have a real job, to have people look you in the eyes because they see you. Sounds pretty good to me.
I lost my dad when I was young, about the same age you were when your brother disappeared, so maybe I can imagine.
I'm sorry.
He was a cop. He loved it. I never wanted to do that. It made me feel like I could get closer to him, like it was something we could do together, you know? So I know what it's like to live for someone else. Tell yourself you're doing it for them. Feels good. Means something. Till it doesn't.
Turner.
Hey, I've been watching you. You are good.
You really think I can do it?
You're already doing it. You're in it, man. Green, we need to talk.
You're leaving, aren't you?
Yes. You'll be okay.
I was gonna say I miss you.
Oh. We found Carrie.
And?
The brother was on the run. He killed McDonough. Top brass covered it up. Yeah, there's something else. Carrie and McDonough had been surveilling him. He had access to a sailboat, right? Maybe he was trying to escape.
Do you still have that map of the waterfront? The call from the docks was goodbye. To escape, he would have had to sail the boat into the shallows, through this passage, and into open water. Okay, but you said it yourself, this part was a fantasy. So why would he even try that? He killed a cop. He was scared, he was desperate, he didn't know how to sail. We should look here. There was no way that he could get past these rocks.
An important part of self-care is gratitude. A daily gratitude practice can offer many benefits. Physical, emotional, even spiritual. To be grateful is to be humble. To appreciate what has been given to you. To appreciate the roles that you play. Yes, you are the star of your own story.
Don't hang up. Can we talk? We found your brother's boat at the bottom of the marina. He's gone, Willis. I'm so sorry.
Go, hands on deck. We've got a 1054 at 6th and Main.
请控制车速，巡航车速调节过高。
Some people, they break easier than others.
They broke him. They broke Johnny. Broke my parents. But I don't want to
请控制车速，巡航车速调节过高。
my story.
Developments on the status of Detective Miles Turner, who has been on indefinite leave for nearly 3 months now, leaving Sarah Green as the lead detective in the Impossible Crimes Unit, assisted by Willis Wu. Also the latest on a rumored real estate development and what it could mean for the residents of Chinatown. In this week's Culture Spotlight, we take a closer look at a locally made chili sauce that has everyone in tears, and then a deeper dive into Detective Wu, Port Harbor PD's rising star.
I grew up wanting to be you. But you weren't who I thought. And then, you left me. Alone.
Willis Wu. I know who your brother was meeting.
Don't ever give up on me.
It was me.
I grew up wanting to be like copied his monster.
Deep water. For those special no one can ever know about this.
They won't understand.
Willis, what are you doing?
You did drag me into this. Who are you?
My brother, the star of China.
You don't even know what's going on with your family. Some people, they break easier than others.
You really think I can do it?
You're already doing it.
You put your feet away.
What am I supposed to be?
You smother hands!
Listen to me. Are you okay? Yeah. Good.
Get talent on set.
Because they're ready for you. My parents came here with nothing but dreams. For themselves. For a better life. Sorry. My parents came here with nothing but dreams. For a better life. For themselves. My parents came here with nothing but dreams. For a better life. For themselves, their sons, and now I have it. To put your mind at ease. Deep water premium. The smoothest whiskey in a can. Sorry, can I have a moment? Let's cut there. I think we got it. That's great.
What's the matter, Mr. Wu?
I just don't think I'll say that.
Well, I mean, you did say it.
I know, but what I'm saying is, that's not me.
Of course it's not you. You're playing a role.
What role?
Willis Wu, a public figure. From the Impossible Crimes Unit. You're a celebrity in this town.
Well, why am I holding a whiskey in a can?
It's good press, but also for your own personal brand.
I have a personal brand? Why do I want a personal brand?
Excuse me? Mr. Wu, I'm so sorry. It's your mom. Again.
I'm sorry, but I'm busy.
Mrs. Wu, he'll have to call you back. Can I just say, I'm really sorry about your brother.
Can I have my phone back?
We should keep going. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Is that a new suit? You look great, Mr. Wu.
Yeah? Well, I don't feel great. You left us. So it's my time now to figure out who I am.
Is this dairy? No dairy. We hate dairy. Here, this might help.
Thanks. Who are you again?
Josh, your assistant.
My assistant. Right. I'm an assistant. I'm an assistant?
You've got a lot going on, Mr. Wu. A lot. I'm here to put your mind at ease.
Uh-huh. Stiff that shirt. What's that smell? Dirty old life. Been through hell. Pack my bags, ditch my past. Found a new me, a fresh breeze blast. Got a new gig, I made it out. Lost my scent, now my parents are proud. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Finally feel like I have a plan. Now that I smell like a brand new man.
Clean stick. The smell of success now with fresh breeze blast.
Cut, you got it. No, were you watching that? I didn't even get that. Look, I didn't even catch this. I fucked it up. Were you guys watching? I fucked it up, right?
I thought that was good. It's funny.
Come on, man. I fucked this shit up.
You okay, Mr. Wu?
Of course I'm okay. Get away from me, man. Deodorant? Why'd you even book this? Asians don't use deodorant. We smell good all the time.
Yeah, you smell great. Every time you walk by, I'm like, wow, Mr. Wu smells so good.
You did fuck it up.
Well, you're just
I
waiting.
wanted to be. You should have left it alone. Who do you think you are? You think you're special? What's special? Why do you have to be in the past?
Your brother was special.
Who do you think you are? You think you're special? On second thought, let's keep going.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but no more the song and dance, okay? I'm a detective. I should be doing detective work, right?
Right. That's a great point. That's why you did all of this. Teamed up with Lana Lee, worked your way up, joined the IC unit, solved your brother's case to build your personal brand.
You really think I was trying to use my brother's... Do you not know what happened?
Yeah, no, you're right. It's a tragedy. But positive things can come from adversity.
Okay, but why commercials? What does deodorant have to do with police work? Don't say personal brand.
Why can't I say personal?
Don't say it! Don't fucking say it, Josh. If you say personal brand, I'm gonna pour this coffee over your head.
Your outward-facing profile. How people see you.
People don't see me. They haven't my whole life.
And now they do. And not as Jonathan Wu's brother. Your story is important for your community.
My story.
Ready for the next one?
No more the song and dance, okay?
Got it.
Sorry, Mr. Wu. I thought that,
Mrs. Wu isn't here.
I was just returning her Tupperware.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry that it's late. After everything that happened, I didn't...
What's it been? A couple of months?
Yeah.
Hey, I have some more leftovers. Want to come in for a sec?
Oh, no, thank you.
No.
That's...
That only take a second. I've been cooking for Mrs. Wu, and she's been working so much. Yeah. And,
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, come on in. I grew some pea shoots. It's really tasty. Like, can't eat them all.
How are you?
Yeah, I found this going through old stuff. Have a look.
You all look so happy. Man, Johnny looks so much like his mom. How's Willis?
I haven't talked to him.
Oh.
Well, I guess that you haven't either.
You know.
I see.
I'm really sorry if I caused pain or heartache or just if I had known.
No. It's better to know the truth.
HPWC. Is this a new channel?
No, I took over .9. This big company just buying up everything.
News at this hour, a construction worker has been found dead in Chinatown at the base of a building site where he was employed.
He's dead.
Yeah, so sad.
Again. Same guy.
My parents came here
Are you okay?
for a better life for themselves.
I'm so sorry. I have to go.
And now, I have
Thank you.
put your mind at ease. The waterproof, the smooth, whiskey in a key.
Oh, wait! Lily! Oh, Betty!
Oh, it's too warm in here.
Okay, please, yeah.
By the way, so sorry about Jonathan.
Thank you, Betty. You know, that was...
But you know, Willis is doing well now. Must be proud.
So proud. Why don't I give it a tour?
Yes.
Come here, please. The cameraman will be here soon. Oh, this is from my own storage. Belonged to my mother, but I never had enough room.
Very nice. May I have a word with you?
Yeah, sure.
You're gold circle now. This is not gold circle work. We're shooting a commercial. The family over there, they're very specific. It could limit our audience. You were doing so well in Chinatown. I was hoping you might be ready for a new challenge, but...
Oh, no. Look, I can fix it.
No, I will.
Okay, come on in.
Lily, go excuse the family.
It's your mom again, isn't it? Coffee?
Fucking Deepwater. What the hell kind of name is that anyway? Who comes up with this shit?
I've got ibuprofen. I'll find you a bottle of water, and maybe we can get a masseuse.
No, I don't want ibuprofen or water or a massage, okay? Can you just stop?
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
And this needs to go.
Hey, why? Hey, this place songs. Look, so cute.
Lily, your job is to help your clients realize their dreams, not live out your own.
Just so nice, Cooper.
You're here. Wonderful. Oh, you look so nice. Come on in. Have a seat over here. Oh, blonde. Good, good. Here's some cereal and some milk.
So what is this? What are we doing now? This is cool detective shit.
Okay. Give me a moment. I don't want that stupid coffee. This one is tea.
Stupid coffee.
Willis, well,
Can I just get a minute alone?
I need your help, Willis.
How do you know my name?
You're on the news.
What do you need my help with? Also, you're walking really fast. Do we have to walk so fast? I had like 5 deep waters.
Come on, we don't have much time. They're watching us.
What did you say?
Everyone is watching you, Willis.
They are?
Look at that. A perfect fit. No pressure, but 40 seconds till detonation.
All right. I can handle this. Shit, that's my phone.
Okay.
Do you think I should answer it?
Do you think you should answer?
Hello?
Willis,
Who is this?
never give up. You're the only one that can help me.
What the hell? Hello? Hello? Are you messing with me? Who is this?
10 seconds. 9, 8,
Blue or green?
7,
Blue or green?
6,
Blue or green?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thermidor. Seconds. Chances.
You had it in you the whole time.
What the fuck? What was that? So, can I get you anything else? More tea?
Yeah, sure. You can add some bourbon in there, that'd be great.
No, we don't have that. I can't.
I'll just take more shrimp.
We're actually out. Yeah. You ate them all.
I did? All by myself?
It's just you who ordered. Yeah.
Why would you put that on me?
Sorry.
You advertise the shrimp. It says all you can eat shrimp. What does that say?
请控制车速，巡航车速调节过高。
Question.
It says all you can eat shrimp.
Okay, so it wasn't a trick question.
It's not all you can eat, because I can eat,
You can eat.
and yet.
So there's no more shrimp?
No more shrimp!
Ma'am, if there's anything else that I can bring you.
Ma'am? I'm a detective. Okay? I'm a detective.
Detective, ma'am, if
I'm on administrative leave because they're investigating my background, but I'm still a cop. I'm a cop. I'm a real cop. I know there's more to this case. I could have you arrested.
Arrested for what?
For false advertising! You are lying to me, Carl. Carl. Is that your real name? Who looks at a baby and says, Carl? God damn it, Carl. I need to get to work. Hey, hi, how ma?
Audrey, so good to see you.
You too. How's Willis?
Oh. I don't know. He won't call me back.
I'm sorry about my
你不要
mom.
再去中间了啊！
She's not. Yeah, well, it's Betty Chan's world. We just live in it. I should probably go. Working on a big real estate deal for Jade. She didn't tell you? The new development in Chinatown.
No.
Well, let's talk later. Yeah, okay.
Lily. Hi. What were you and Archie talking about?
Oh, nothing, just cha-cha.
Well, I just want to say, don't feel bad. Everyone makes mistakes and deserves a second chance. There's something we should discuss. An opportunity for you that'll make you forget all about today. We have an investor, and we are going to revamp the SRO. Turn it into a respectable place.
What does that mean?
A whole new concept. Mixed use. Residential and retail. Chinatown. Reimagined. And I want you to lead the charge. You know these people.
These people? You mean my Chinese neighbors?
Mm-hmm. You'll be able to say it in a way they can understand. Lily, this is what we've been working for. Chinatown is stuck in the past. People have to move on, right?
Yeah. Move on. I don't even remember what I just said to him. The last word.
I gotta go.
Hey. Hey, take the jacket.
Hey, Willis.
Hey. I didn't get your name.
It's Anna. Spelled Anna, but rhymes with Lana. It's weird, I know.
Yeah, that is weird.
So I've seen you on TV. You're a detective?
It's a long story. Complicated.
Well, tell me over a drink.
Hey, Mr. Wu. It's Lana? I'm sorry. He's in the middle of something important. I'll have him call you back.
It's okay. I'm gonna head out. I'll see you later, I hope.
You have perfect timing.
Sorry?
Every time I get a moment to myself, you're right there with the coffee. What's with you and coffee, man? If I didn't know any better, I would think you're trying to get inside my head. Are you? Trying to get inside my head?
This is a really hard time for you, Mr. Wu. I just want to support
A hard time? You think you know me? What are you, some kind of creepy stalker?
I'm not a stalker. I just look up to you.
This is so weird. You're really weirding me out, Josh. Holy shit. I get what Turner was talking about.
It doesn't feel real.
No, it doesn't. But this is what you wanted, right, Mr. Wu? To step into the light.
Right.
开始泊车，注意环境安全。 注意剐蹭风险，两侧狭窄，正在收起后视镜。 服务已完成。
I am grateful. I am. You were fine, big fucking stoner, loser, nobody. Wait, until I made you see it. Call your mom, man. You're not the only one who's hurting.
Nothing.
There's gotta be something else.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Wu. There's nothing left. The commercial break is over.
What if I don't want to anymore? Okay? I don't want to be in my